from Monday the 7th of November in Pruda's class. So we started with the 1920s basic, and then we did the mess around. So it was 1920s basic, and then we did the back step, kick, double kick, back step, kick, double kick. And then we did skates. And mambo. And then we did boogie drops. And hallelujahs. And then we did shouts. And a tick-tock. And finally we ended with a scarecrow.